Look at this. Every single one of these pores, packed, stubborn. The kind you've been picking at in your bathroom mirror at 1 a.m. and getting nowhere. Today, we clear every last one. No shortcuts. No filters. You've tried the pore strips. Ripped one off, saw 3 tiny dots on it, felt betrayed. You've tried the scrubs that just made everything red and angry. Especially in this humidity, they just don't cut it. Charcoal masks that promised deep detox and gave you nothing. Maybe a salon extraction that hurt so much you never went back. I know you've been through it. The apps, the DIYs, the Multani midi pack your daddy swears by that helps a little but never finishes the job. But what if I told you there's a better way? Honestly, I used to avoid mirrors with good lighting. I'd catch my reflection under a tube light and just stare at my nose. Every clogged pore felt like proof I was doing something wrong. I tried everything the internet told me. Ice, steam, toothpaste. Please never do that. And none of it respected how my skin actually works. It just made things worse or did nothing at all. So I decided to actually learn the science instead of guessing. And that changed everything. Here's the simple version. A clogged pore is just oil and dead skin cells that got stuck and hardened, like a cork in a bottle. You can't just scrub a cork out. You have to soften it first, then gently pull it, then keep the bottle from clogging again. Step 1. Double cleanse first, an oil-based cleanser to break down sebum and sunscreen. Something like Minimalist Sunflower Seed Oil Cleanser works beautifully here, and it's easy to find at home. Follow with a gentle foaming cleanser. Cetaphil's Gentle Foaming Cleanser is a safe pick for most skin types, even in Karachi or Mumbai heat where you're producing extra oil all day. Step 2. Steam and soften 2 minutes of warm steam. This is the softening the cork step. It makes extraction so much easier and so much less painful. Step 3. BHA exfoliation. This is the game changer. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, meaning it actually travels into the pore instead of just sitting on top of skin like most acid. Cosrx's BHA Blackhead Power Liquid is the gold standard here, but the Dermaco's Salicylic Acid Serum is a solid, more affordable local alternative if you're working with a smaller budget. Step 4. Clay Mask Clay pulls excess oil and impurities to the surface. If you want a budget, deeply traditional option, Multani Mitti mixed with a little rose water does genuinely work. Just don't let it fully dry and crack. That just irritates skin. Step 5. Gentle extraction now, and only now we extract. Gentle rolling pressure, never digging, never squeezing with nails. If it doesn't come out easily, it's not ready. That's the rule. Watch this one. See how it just releases? That's the softening working. This one's stubborn though, I won't force it. Some pores just aren't ready today, and that's okay. Forcing it causes scarring, and honestly, that's not worth a satisfying clip. First impression of the BHA on freshly steamed skin, there's a light tingle, that's normal. If it actually stings sharply, wash it off. Skin should feel warm, not burning. Feel that? Smooth already. No texture bumps where those pores used to be packed. Plus proof, I'll be honest with you though. This didn't erase every single pore forever. Pores don't disappear, they're a normal part of skin. What changed is they're not packed anymore. That's the real achievable win. By day 7, with consistent BHA used twice a week, texture is noticeably smoother under makeup and skincare sits better on top. Question 1. Is this routine expensive? Answer: not at all. The Dermaco and Minimalist options together cost less than 1 salon facial, and they last months. Question 2. Will this work for sensitive skin? Answer: start slow. Once or twice a week with the BHA, always patch test first and skip the extraction step entirely if your skin is reactive right now. The cleanse and clay steps alone still help. Question 3. How much time does this actually take? Answer: about 20 minutes once a week. This isn't a daily routine. Over-exfoliating will damage your barrier faster than clogged pores ever could. Full routine, cost per use, works out to roughly the price of a cup of chai, compared to a salon deep cleaning facial that costs 10 times that and needs a whole appointment. This lives in your bathroom, on your schedule. Thank you.